friends, and classmates. Have you ever wondered why when you get into an elevator you turn around and you face the door? This is an example of a group norm. Today I'm here to talk to you about group norms and what their elements are. So we'll discuss group norms, negative norms, and how they are enforced. Let's start by discussing what exactly group norms are. According to Duck and McMahon, group norms involve established status relationships, values, and sanctions. These can be informal or formal rules. They can be implicit or explicit. So an example of a formal rule would be like laws. They're written down. Examples of informal rules would be raising your hand in class to be called upon to answer a question or ask a question. Other examples of informal rules would be not wearing white after Labor Day, or matching your shoes to your purse, or to your belt, or something like that. According to Durando and Grun, during teamwork, it is important to produce a team constitution to clarify new requirements. This would be another example of a formal rule. Group norms vary throughout time and social relationships, and these can change over time as well. They are learned through social interactions. So now that we have discussed what group norms are, let's look at some negative norms. According to Duck and McMahon, negative norms are an attempt to break down an individual's personal identity. Examples of this would include therapy groups or military training groups like boot camp. According to the Social Norms website, they can also include scare tactics. The goal of scare tactics are to frighten an individual into positive change by insisting on the negative consequences of certain behaviors. So examples of this would be drunk driving campaigns or anti-smoking campaigns. You know, you see the commercials on TV, if you drive drunk you will get caught, or something like that. Finally, let's look at how these group norms are enforced. According to Duck and McMahon again, group sanctions or punishments for breaking the group norms. These can include penalties, canceling of membership, or they can also be informal sanctions, such as nonverbal communication cues and body language. An example of this would be, say in a meeting somebody makes a poor suggestion or isn't following the rules. Then the other group members could either not make eye contact with that person or completely ignore what they say, or even completely turn their body away from the person as if they don't exist. By not following these group norms, one is in danger of becoming a social outcast. So, as we draw to a close, we have established that group norms are rules and procedures that occur in a group. They are learned through social interactions, and they can be punished. So remember, if you don't want to be a social outcast, when you get into that elevator, turn around.